very easy to operate. You can scan your teeth and for implant orthodontics restoration. Here I can see.
You see, this is our dental milling machine, and so these products can be used for the dental lab. And this is 5 axes, can support the dry and white type. Also, this material can support the round disc and the cubic. Raw material can support the class ceramic and wax pig. Blah blah, and accept the metal. This is our new product for the press scanner. So normally it can use for the clinics. It's with the big touch screen, and it can read the image and directly without computer. It can save the cost. This is our new X-ray machine. It is used the Wi-Fi, the recharger. It's easy for charge and put on a desk. Oh, this is our X-ray sensor. We have 2 sizes. This is smaller size. You see, this is only the 4.4 millimeter, and it's round corner, and it's very easy. And for your dentist to put patient into mouth, so it can not damage for the patient to the mouth. That's all.
Hello everyone, the next product is dynamic industrial grade 3D printer, and it contains, we have 2 types. One is LCD and this one is DLP type. It contains a very big container that you can put your resin material in there to make your models. And it's a very accurate and reliable and very fast machine for laboratories.
Hello, it's Jack from Dynamic Manufacturer. Welcome to our booth at IDS. This is our new product, and it with 2 cameras, this one and this one, and this is for here. Everything included the quotation, and our specifications is rapid scanning and 4 scanner and widespread application. Everything is good. Welcome to inquiry to us. Thank you.
This is our new and implant model with the big touch screen. You can see, and also we have the different speeds. You can select. Also, is the LED light, and this is the brushless motor.
Here, this one is the suction unit, DS04, and it serves like 3 to 4 chairs. This one is straight shaft type, and this one also the suction unit, split type, also serve 3 to 4 chairs. Which these 2 are suitable to the American and West European market. And this one, the large suction unit with the separating water and gas tank, which has a sensor over here, can control the water. And this one serves 10 chairs, and only for big dental offices. And here comes to the air compressor. This is a new design. of a V-type motor and also membrane dryer. Here you can see the digital control of the compressor, and the horsepower is 3, and the working pressure can be 12 bar. And this is our tradition design, DA803, also with the membrane dryer here, with 2 motors, and also digital control. The working pressure is 7 bar, and rated flow is 140. Okay.
Hello everyone, this is dynamic produced portable dental unit. DU852 is the most functional model produced and designed by our own, and contains 7 connectors, cumulates together 3 syringe, high-speed handpiece, low-speed handpiece, and saliva ejector and HVE. It contains a vacuum pump and a motor pump, which offers strong suction power, and it can offer you a reliable treatment for your patients. Okay, hi guys. Next one is the extra oral section unit DS3000, which is a newly improved unit by Dynamic in 2022, and it's protect both the doctors and the patients and offer you a very clean environment in your dental clinics. Hi guys, the next one is pipe disinfection for dental chair. It contains oxygen generator, and it will make sure that the water will go through to the patient's mouth is 100% clean.